Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bolaji James. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a subdomain. What we mean by subdomain is, for instance, we have a website called listify.com.ng. Alright, so let's say you have this website called listify.com.ng. Then you want to create a sub part of this website. Let's say for instance now this site is a classified website. If you are in Nigeria, you must have heard of Gigi, you understand, where people come and search for goods and services they want to buy, and then connect with buyers and sellers connect together. Okay, so let's assume that you want to build another aspect of this same website. You want the same name, the same listify, but you don't want it to be part of this main website here. So like you now want it to be like, maybe you want to create a store. Gigi don't sell. This place is meant for buyers and sellers to connect. So you want to have a store of the listify, the one that the admin will be selling. So you want to have something like store.listify.com.ng, or maybe the app version. Maybe the app, you want to create the app version of this same website. You want it to be like app.listify.com.ng. So that is what we mean by a subdomain, which means you don't have to buy a different domain name, but you are using the same domain name with different aspects of the website. Okay, so you can do that easily by simply creating a subdomain. So let's see how you can do that quickly. So here is a control panel. Once you are on your control panel, all you need to do is scroll down. Take note of these sections. The first section here is email. The second section is the jet backup. The third one is files, and of course the other one is SEO and marketing. Then we have database, then we have domains, and this is where we are going to. So we're going to click on domains. You click on domains, and it will open up the list of domains that are currently connected to this hosting. You understand? So you need to come here and click on create a new domain. Create a new domain. Create a new domain, and then you just type in what you want. For instance, like I said earlier, let's say we want to create app.listify.com.ng, like this. So you can say it's giving you option. Just click on, you just use app.listify.com.ng. then make sure this place is not marked, please, where it says share document root. No, don't share document root. If you click on that, it will mean that whatever you put there will be showing whatever is on the main site. Are you getting it now? So don't share document root. Just click on this and click on submit. So within a few seconds, you must specify a subdomain. Okay, app.listify.com.ng. okay, so it's asking me to specify subdomain. Create a new domain. Okay, so I said app.listify.com.ng. it said I must specify a subdomain. Okay, and I think I've done that. I've done that. If the document root is shared, okay, so let's go ahead and try again. App.listify.com.ng. this is correct, so let's try it again. Okay, so let's return to domain. Let's return to domain and see what is wrong here. Alright, so let's try it again and say app.listify.com.ng. alright, so let's click on it again and just use that. and say submit. Alright, so we can see it successfully created. You have successfully created the new app.listify.com.ng. I believe that was just a network error. So that is it, and you can now install WordPress on this new subdomain, or even if it's an app, a web app file that you want to put. Maybe you have a script that you want to upload on this new site now, so that when people come here, like for instance, take a look at some examples. I'll give you some example. Look at this site. It says wait, what is the name? The name is techflow. Yeah, this techflow.ng. Take note of this, techflow.ng. Now if you click on this place to log in, click on login here, you discover that this redirects you to a subdomain. So this redirects you to a subdomain. Is still loading up. I don't know, let's give it a few seconds. Okay, so you can see that this redirects you to a subdomain. So the app version of this site is created on a subdomain, so that the main website where people visit and other is on the main website, while the app for you to log in, you can find it on something like this on so many websites that you may have visited, but you will not notice, because once you click, it just takes you to that place, so you will not notice. So but if you take a look at this place, the address bar, you will notice what happens there. Alright, so that is it for this particular video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe if you truly enjoyed this video, and make sure you like the video. You can drop a comment if you have any question, and I'll be here to answer you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.